Hello dears and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. I have many years experience with different softwares and tools. In this video with Affinity we are going to learn how to create artboard with Vector Studio. To create artboard you can click here in this toolbar, and up here you can see different presets available you can choose from, or you can set the width, height or spacing for your artboards, or you can just click insert artboard to add a new one, or from here you can add an artboard on the top, on the left, on bottom, or if you just click you can resize artboard just like this. We're going to add some artboards. Control minus to zoom out, and if I want to create a new one you can hold the mouse key and drag it to create your artboard. On the top you can see the artboard 5, artboard 6. From artboard 1 to artboard 6 it is available, and under layers panel you can see all the artboards which is from 1 to number 6. And if I want to delete an artboard, just delete it. You can select the artboard and press the delete button on your keyboard just like this. So this is how we can create an artboard with Affinity. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question or doubt please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.